How to create typography designs in Canva full guide. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about typography designs. So to do this, first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to add any element that you're going to want to add some typography to. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and add the moon. Okay, let's go ahead and add images of the moon. So let's say here's an image. We're going to add it right here. Now, once this image is right over to our sections, what we're going to do from here is we're going to go over to an application for ourselves. So I'm going to go over to apps, and here we're going to search up Typecraft. Okay. Now, once we search up Typecraft, you're going to click on this and you're going to click on open. Now, Typecraft is an application that allows you to type in any type of fonts or designs that you want to go along with. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait for Typecraft to load in. And once it's done, let's say I'm going to add in round moon. That is what we're writing, right? So once this is done, you're going to go over to the fonts. And in the fonts, you're going to choose, you can choose honestly any fonts that you want to go with. I'm going to go with Anton Regular 123. Okay, that's the font I want to go with. So once you've chosen your font, what you're going to do from here is it's going to give you these different regular fills or styles that you want to go with. But I'm going to go into colors, and you can change your color, whatever way you want to. So it depends on you. So as you can see, right about here is where you're going to be changing the whole style of your text, and you're going to make sure to morph it according to the whole design that you have, right? So I'm going to go ahead and make the corners and edges rounded. Okay, just as so. I'm going to bring this lower. I'm going to bring this here. And once this is done, basically what you're going to do is you're going to click on Add Element to Design. And once you do that, basically you're going to adjust the design accordingly to yourself. So once this is done, make sure to morph it in properly. And, just like this, you can add in any typography designs that you have, okay, and make them consistently good and developed for your whole design. All right. And in some cases, you can even make your typography a whole lot better. And the way you can do that is by giving your text some different types of backgrounds and create clipping masks of your elements. So that is basically how you're going to create typography designs in Canva. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.